Okay. Talk to me a little bit about Miranda rights. I know a lot of people may not know what it is, and they think automatically if you were not given Miranda rights, that automatically throws it out, and that's not the case.
That is not the case, and that's a really common question that I get. People say, well, I wasn't read my Miranda warning, so this all should be thrown out, and that's really not the way it works. Only if you are custodial, being interrogated, and you are in custody. Those two things must be present before they are required to give you Miranda warnings. And if they don't do that, and you are in custody, and the police are questioning you, then the remedy for that isn't that the case gets thrown out. The remedy is that sometimes your lawyer can have the statement suppressed, which means that they can't use that as evidence against you, but they can still use anything else that they may have, and they may or may not need the statement. So sometimes it can result in a dismissal of the case because they don't have enough to prove it without the statement. But most times, really more often than not, if the statement gets thrown out, which is pretty rare, but it does happen, then they will just proceed without the statement and on the other evidence that they have. And a lot of times, if you think about it this way, a lot of times by the time somebody gives a statement, they're already in custody. So there was already enough to arrest them in the first place. So they may have enough to proceed with or without the statement. But the remedy for not getting your Miranda warnings is that the statement can't be used against you.